All right, this is it, the last part. We're going to write the equation in point slope form given the graphed line. And one key thing to note here is we're going to use the right-hand point when we go to write the equation of that line. So looking at the graph, we got to come up with the slope, and then we're going to use that right-handed point. So let's start by looking at this very first graph. To find the slope, they give us 2 points. We're going to find the slope between them by using the rise and the run, starting with the left point to draw our slope triangle. So our rise goes down 1, so that's a -1. Our run goes to the right 4, so that is a +4. So our slope for this one would be -1/4. It wants us to use that right-handed ordered pair. So when we look at that ordered pair, that would be 4, 3. So now given that slope and that ordered pair, we're going to use our point slope form of y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 to write the equation in point slope form. So y minus y1 is 3 equals our slope -1/4 times x minus x1 is 4. And we want to make sure it's in simplified version, which it is. We have no minus and negative, so there it is in point slope form. All right, I feel like you guys have got this one, so I want you to go ahead and try number 12, and then come back and let's check it. All right, let's see how we did. Let's start with finding that slope between those 2 points, starting at our leftmost point. Let's draw that slope triangle, rise over run. Our rise is 3, our run is 1. So our slope is 3/1, which would reduce to 3. We want to use the rightmost point for our ordered pair. So that ordered pair is 3, 1 for our x, y. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's plug in all our values. So y minus y1 is 1 equals our slope is 3 times the quantity of x minus x1 is 3. And check for simplified form. We're good to go. All right, you guys got one last one. Try it on your own, and then let's come back and give it a check. Okay, let's see how we did. Let's start with the slope. Drawing in that slope triangle. It's got a rise of 3, a run of 6. 3/6 will reduce to 1/2. Using that rightmost point, that ordered pair is 1, -1. Let's go ahead and plug in. Y minus y1 is -1 equals slope 1/2 times x minus x1 is 1. Simplified version, minus a -1 would turn into +1 equals 1/2 x. Quantity, x minus 1. All right, I hope we've got it. Good job.